reaction viral yung golden mo sa ASAP sa Vancouver?
It was really bad. It was horrible. So, ang storya kasi dyan, pinababa ko yung key ng super baba, pero hindi pala dapat yun. Dapat original key.
Wow!
So, hinihingi ko, patawad ko po sa mga tiga Canada, and I promise, babawi ako. Uulitin ko siya. Uulitin ko siya, I promise. Kailangan babawi ako kasi hindi alam ko hindi ako magaling kumanta. Pero yun talaga ang pangit.
So, they enjoyed it, even the netizens. They enjoyed it.
So bad!
But you give entertainment, Anne.
Yeah, you know, I mean, at the end of the day, kasi I couldn't hear myself, but all I could see was the faces of everyone in that arena. And they were super cheering me on, like, parang longest standing ovation ba in my life. So as in, wala yung standing ovation na humihingi pa sila ng more. Kaya natouch ako, pero parang hindi na kaya na.
Ng powers mo.
So I vow that I will perform Golden again, and I will make sure na it won't be amazing, but it will be better.
Thanks,